Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Birdie. Today I'm taking a 4-hour train from KL to Butterworth, then a ferry trip to Georgetown. After arriving at the Butterworth station, I still needed to do a second ferry ride. Now it's my lunchtime. Loon Fong Cafe is very famous among tourists. I ordered a fried onion and a hot coffee. This dish has a strong wok flavor with a kind of magic that can transport you back to your childhood. After the lunch, I took a walk in the streets of Georgetown. I bought 2 souvenirs from a small shop. Let's have a coffee break. This is probably my favorite place in Georgetown, the most unforgettable one, because it brought me a sense of peace. Sometimes you could be just happy being an observer in life, thinking about those tiny little things we once ignored in life, those happy little moments, like the smell of the grass, the warmth of the sunshine, and a beautiful old tree. And the clouds. morning, friends. Today I'm going to hide in Vietnam. For a brunch place, I woke up naturally because yesterday's schedule was quite packed. Okay, my drink has finally arrived. It was such a great moment drinking homemade soda from the cafe. I also ordered a fruit pancake. About to reach my destination, the Butterfly Garden.